I want to share something with you guys. I sometimes make impulsive, purchases. Hi guys, madayaw! Before anything else, no, mga igusori daan kay someone still working outside. Saba ang grinder, saba ang dukduk, and maybe madungo siya, but minimal lang siguro kay gi-close na ko ang rooms. But, okay. Anyway, kumusta mo? So, I'm back. I want to share something with you guys. In my previous vlog, I talked about what I've been up to lately. I shared home renovations and or improvements and some additions to our rooms, no, and like cabinet, something like that. So ako naman to share, which is why I've been interested in buying items for our space, anything else that I simply thought that I needed. So because of that, I sometimes make impulsive, purchases. But first, what exactly are impulsive purchases? O, diba? So, it's unplanned, um, ano yan, unexpected desire or sudden decision or like sudden choice of buy after you are exposed to like sa mga promo, sales, di ba? Buy one take one, mga ingana. So, I so mo na siya. So, I usually make, purchases online. Kay umo naman ginatong uso karon. But sometimes, I just go to the mall, and then when I'm there, I usually, make impulsive buy na dayon. So, impulse buy na dayon. So, maybe because I don't usually go to the mall, pag makita na ko ang thing like that, ang butang ang items like that, ganahan ko. So, mupalit. Sometimes I bought items or things that I already had around the house. And then, or sometimes I just thought they were cute. Ganahan lang ko, ganahan ko sa color, ana good. And sometimes I don't even consider whether if it's like, at first, kailangan ba na ko siya. But after, I wondered why, gipalit man ako ni. So, ang akong impulse buy sa online are usually bags and shoes. So, ipakita lang ako sa inyo ha. Okay, ana. And then, they are triggered, kana sa sales. Kan 11.11, 99. So, ana jud. So, dili siya need. Kada lang. Sometimes, no, hate kayo na ako. Ako sarili, ana. I came across a meme on Facebook that said, if you are bored, don't stay on online shopping platforms because you're likely to buy unnecessary things. So katawa jud ko na. So kinaigo man ko. Anyway, yes, we are like that, and not just me. So I think everyone man siguro no, and nang we make impulsive purchases. They said this is because of our psychological makeup no na since it makes us kind of feel good to satisfy our desire and relieve stress. For me no, this is true. Kay there is sense of excitement manggod, especially much like when you open a gift manggod, 'di ba? Pag mag-unbox ka. And yeah, I do have that now since I need to buy new things, and because that's what we want to do to get rid of our old stuff and replace to a new ones. So I'm prone to like to make impulse buy. But what I love about it is like it's the self discipline it requires kana I love sorting manggod like unsa ang need og wants. So maybe nagagrow na jud ko ana. So for me no, impulsive purchases is in my opinion, it's just normal response to our sudden desire. You feel, no? But if you ask me, kung nag-regret ba ko sa things na ako mga napalit, too much is not good. Yeah, I think aware man siguro ta na, no, kung asa ato ang, limitations. And diha ta ma-learn. Yeah. And because of this, sa ko alang, for me lang, kung unsa tong naka-trigger sa ato, as I mentioned earlier, I think it's driven emotionally, like, di ba, you feel good, maybe maglaan taog budget unsa ato ang need and wants, so mag-reflect yun gihapon sa ato, and I believe na we will learn slowly, gradually, no. I think rejecting ourselves is difficult, but it's hard, but it is rewarding. I think we'll eventually use it. Kay, I think ako na-use naman pug ko. Every time na ma-use na ka, mag-grow jud ka. So, that's it. So, mo lang na ako na ano karon kay since nagka-purchase ko karon og mga new things that prone jud ko. Yeah, that's all guys. I hope naka-learn mo gamay sa ako, no. Anyway, thank you for watching my videos, guys. I hope na dili mo magsawa sa akong naong, nakoy pimple na ko, kaya I hope wala mo na distract ka na. Anyway, this is Jess, your yung mom. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and follow my Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok. Bye, guys!